Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk you how to install Python in your Android phone. So let's start the video. If you not check my previous video, check it out by clicking on the I button. So let's start the video. First go to Play Store and search for Pydroid 3. You can see it and here it opens. You can see the logo and I am installing it. So please wait for a few seconds and it is installing. And I am wishing that you should check my previous video where I told you how to install Linux based terminal in your Android phone by termux. So check it out by clicking on the I button and hit subscribe button on my channel and hit the like. And my app is installed and I going to open it, and you can see that it is installing Python in my Android phone, and it is installing soon as Python packages are very short, and it is installed successfully. And you can click the three dot button in the right side, in the left side, and you can see that there are more options here, and you can see that it tells you to buy premium, but no need to buy premium. And you can say that there is more features, redo, undo, etc. And you can execute a Python program. It is very basic a Python program. You can see that print hello world, and you can execute more good Python programs in this app. So keep watching my videos and I will brought to you these type of Python programs. And you can see that the Python program is run successfully, and your first Python program run successfully in Android device. So here you can get more options, like it is an IDE, so you can auto completing features is available in here, and here you can undo redo option is there, and it is very simple, and it is basically for Python and Java supported in another app. In this app only Python is supported, and here you can get more samples of projects. You can see that pygame and more projects are available here. You can check it out by installing it from the description box, or going to search from the Play Store. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Thank you.